So what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel once again. You know I appreciate having you here. We are coming to you from Dorking at the moment. This is the historic town of Dorking. And I know what you're thinking, why is it historic? And I'm going to tell you now, it's historic because it's bloody old. So let's go in search of some fun. Now these are some of the lanes I've done before, so some of you would have seen them. But I haven't been up here for probably about a month, so it'll be interesting to see how the spring is kicking in because it's quite enclosed, so it should look nice. That's the theory anyway. Plus, always sounds good reverberating against the walls. I'm going to try not to talk too much on this one. It's going to be hard for me, trust me, but I'm going to try, so we can just enjoy this exhaust. So put your headphones in, sit back, relax, put your feet up. It's just my Africa Twin and that sweet, sweet Remus. Remember to slow down for villages. that's going to be about it for this one. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment in the comment section below. You know how it goes. Let me know what you thought of this. Do you want more videos that are a little bit more raw with the sound of the exhaust? Because I can add those to the channel because they're nice and easy, because I don't have to think of a subject. Right, so let's wrap this up good and proper. Thank you very, very much for watching. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to do all those things that you need to do. I shall see you on the next one. You know I love you all. Stay safe. Fish out.
Get all your bags, get out my house. I don't want your stuff around. I never did you wrong, but you did me wrong. So go ahead, get gone. Get all your bags, get out my house. I don't want your stuff around. I never did you wrong, but you did me wrong. So go ahead and get gone.